Email address tools. The tools are Email Extractor, the Email Extractor Pro plugin, and the Harvester. Email Extractor tool is a free all-in-one email spider software. It is a lightweight and powerful utility designed to extract email addresses, phone numbers, Skype, and any custom items. Email Extractor Pro plugin. It gets email from the current browser tab and saves extracted emails as text file. The Harvester. It gathers emails, subdomains, host, employee names, open ports, and banners. Let's have a look at them one by one as a part of demonstrations. Let's see the Email Extractor tool. Go to the website emailextractorpro.com. Go to the download section and the download mirror. Once it started downloading, you can open that particular zip file, extract it, and it will start the installation process. Click OK. Click Next. Start the installation by pressing the install button. Once it has completed installation, uncheck the visit website. Click Finish. It will open up the GUI. Here, as you can see, we have just selected email extraction, and it will be extracted from the following options. We'll search by keywords. We will select Network Engineer USA and start the search. It will try to find out the results. As you can see, you can find the results over here. We'll stop in between, and as you can see, we are able to find out 13 items. Here are the email addresses. If you want to save those results, you have to upgrade it, rather you have to purchase that particular software. Let's try out the Email Extractor Pro plugin. Go to Firefox add-ons and try to find the Email Extractor. Once you find it out, just click over there and add it to Firefox. Add the plugin and go through the conditions and click OK. Now it is installed, as you can see over here. Now let us try to find out the actual email addresses. Go to google.com website. Try to find out the URLs or the email address for .com domain, and the search string is gmail.com, and let's try to find it out. As you can find, you can get only 10 addresses, so we'll go to settings, search settings, and results per page is set to 100. Save those results. Now it will ask for CAPTCHA verification. Select the CAPTCHA, verify it, and now as you can see, there are plenty of search results. Now you can extract email addresses, as can be seen here. Let's try to modify the domain names from .com to .edu and again search the results. Now this time, as you can see, the results that we are able to find out are huge. Here are all the email addresses that we are trying to search. Here we are talking about a tool called as the Harvester. Let's take a help with -h option to see the help. As you can see, it provides plenty of options. -h we just saw for help. -d is for the domain or the company name or domain to search for. -l is limit the number of search results, default is 500. The other important factors could be -G for Google Docs, -P is for proxies to be used. You can specify those proxy entries in proxies.yml file. Similarly, you can use the option -E for the DNS server to be used. -F is for file name and -B is for the sources. Let's execute it. I'll go with the harvester followed by -D is for domain. I'll select here gmail.com. -L is for the number of result to be listed. I'll select it as 300. -E is for the DNS server to be used. I will use Google DNS server here. Followed by the source. I'll select all the sources. And -F is for results. Let's execute it. As you can see, it is saying that missing API keys. You will find plenty of such sources which require API keys. It will go through all the search results. In the meantime, I'll show you how can you configure the API keys. Let's open another window and nano /etc/ the harvester followed by the file name that is to be used for API keys, that is api-keys.yml. If you open this file, you will find that the API keys for Bing can be mentioned over here in the key section. For GitHub, you can use the key over here. Similarly, IntelliX, it is already shown as this one. Similarly, you can configure different API keys and mention those API keys over here. So let's exit out of this window and close it. Meanwhile, as you can see, it is able to find out the results. And as you can see, it says reporting started. So it is essentially creating a report. Reporting finished, saving the files, and files are saved. So let's open the file with Firefox and the file name is results.html. It automatically adds this HTML suffix at the end of the file name. Let's open it. As you can see, it has provided us with the interface, and as you can see, the emails it has collected is 11,738. Let's sort or filter the records by email, and I'll select here email. As you can see, here it is showing all the records for email and email addresses.